Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about eating a variety of foods from all the major food groups. We'll provide you with clear and step-by-step details on how to achieve a balanced diet, highlighting pro tips and addressing common pain points. Let's get started. Step number 1. Understand the major food groups. It's essential to understand the major food groups. Here are 5 key groups. 1. Fruits. The fruits category includes a variety of delicious options such as apples, oranges, berries, kiwis, pears, peaches, and bananas, which are all packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that are vital for maintaining a balanced diet. 2. Vegetables. The vegetables category offers a wide range of options such as leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, root vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes, and colorful options like bell peppers and zucchini. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that support a balanced diet. 3. Grains. The grains category provides a variety of nutrient-dense options such as brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, oats, barley, whole grain pasta, and bulgur, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for a balanced diet. 4. Protein sources. Protein sources are an essential part of a balanced diet, and options include plant-based choices such as lentils, chickpeas, and tofu, as well as lean animal proteins like chicken and salmon. Nuts like almonds and eggs are also great sources of protein. 5. Dairy or dairy alternatives. The dairy or dairy alternatives category includes a variety of options such as low-fat yogurt, skim milk, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, cottage cheese, and calcium-fortified orange juice, which provide essential nutrients like calcium and protein for a balanced diet. Pro tip. Consuming a mix of these food groups ensures that you receive essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to maintain good health. Remember to choose a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables to maximize nutrient intake. Step number 2. Learn recommended serving sizes. Next, learn the recommended serving sizes for each food group. These vary based on factors such as age, gender, and activity level. Here are the general guidelines for adults. Fruits, 1.5 to 2 cups per day. Vegetables, 2 to 3 cups per day. Grains, 6 to 8 ounces per day, with at least half being whole grains. Protein sources, 5 to 6.5 ounces per day. Dairy or dairy alternatives, 3 cups per day. Pro tip. Use measuring cups or a kitchen scale to help you accurately portion your food. Step number 3. Create a weekly meal plan. Now that you know the major food groups and serving sizes, create a weekly meal plan. This helps ensure you consume a variety of foods and stay on track with your balanced diet. 1. Make a list of your favorite meals from each food group, taking into consideration your nutritional goals, budget constraints, and any picky eaters in your household. 2. Develop a comprehensive weekly schedule that encompasses breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, taking into account your nutritional goals, personal preferences, and any budgetary or time constraints. 3. It's important to ensure that each meal incorporates a variety of nutrient-dense foods from all major food groups, with balanced portions to meet your nutritional needs and maintain a healthy, well-rounded diet. 4. Make a detailed grocery list that aligns with your weekly meal plan, taking into account your nutritional goals, budget constraints, and any dietary restrictions, to ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients for healthy and balanced meals. Pro tip. Batch cooking and meal prepping can save time and make it easier to stick to your plan. Step 4. Address common pain points. Let's discuss common pain points and how to overcome them. 1. Limited time. Prepare meals in advance, choose quick recipes, or use pre-cut fruits and vegetables. 2. Budget constraints. Opt for seasonal produce, buy in bulk, and utilize frozen fruits and vegetables. 3. Picky eaters. Experiment with different flavors and textures, and gradually introduce new foods. Pro tip. Get creative with your cooking. Try new recipes and food combinations to keep things interesting. Step 5. Make smart food choices. When selecting foods, focus on nutrient-dense options. 1. Choose whole grains over refined grains, as whole grains contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining good health. 2. When choosing protein sources, it is recommended to go for lean options like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes, as they are rich in essential nutrients and low in unhealthy fats, which can help maintain a balanced diet and support overall health. 3. It's important to prioritize healthy fats in your diet, such as the ones found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, as they provide essential nutrients and can support overall health while maintaining a balanced diet. 4. To maintain a balanced diet and support overall health, it's crucial to limit the consumption of added sugars and processed foods, which are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, and lack essential nutrients needed for optimal health. 5. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like low-fat dairy or dairy alternatives, leafy greens, and calcium-fortified juices to support bone health. 6. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure you're getting a range of vitamins and antioxidants. Pro tip: read food labels carefully to make informed decisions about the products you consume. Set nutritional goals for yourself and track your progress to ensure you're meeting your dietary needs. In conclusion, eating a variety of foods from all the major food groups is vital for maintaining good health. By understanding the food categories, learning recommended serving sizes, creating a weekly meal plan, addressing common pain points, and making smart food choices, you can achieve a balanced diet that provides essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Pro tip: regularly reviewing your eating habits and adjusting your meal plan as needed will help you stay on track and meet your nutritional goals. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information on eating a variety of foods from all the major food categories. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching. We will see you next video.